Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to submit your website in Google News. But before this, if you are watching my videos for the first time, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon button to be notified every time we upload new videos. So let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to go on Google and type for Google Publisher Center. Once you do that, you will see this link, click on it. You can see I have already verified one of my other website, but I'm going to do the steps from A to Z so that you will be able to submit your own website easily. So let's start. You have to click on add publication, name your publication here, for example techblogcorner.com. So publication name has been created. Now you have to fill the detail. What is website is all about. This website is about technology, news and digital marketing. So I have filled this detail, so you can fill the detail as much as you want. You can check the minimum requirement of 140 characters. Once you do that, go to the category section. This website belongs to the category of technology, science and technology, or any other related website section. Sorry. So this fits science and technology. Now the primary language of the website is English. You can check or uncheck it, totally depends on your website. I will prefer to go with the check option. Website property URL. What is the URL of your website? So I will go on my website. I will copy the exact URL. Copy, paste. So verify in Search Console. So it is verified automatically because I'm using the same email ID that I used to create my Search Console account. That's why it has already verified. So country I'm going to select as India, because this is asking select the country where your publication headquarters are located. So I'm from India, and rest of the things can be checked. Now please provide the contact of your publication. This is the email ID where Google News will send every communication to you. So I'm going to enter my email ID. They will send you an email to verify that email ID is working or not. You will see the email ID in your inbox. I'm not going to show that step, but it will be received by Google. So countries that you are going to distribute, I'm targeting worldwide on all the properties of Google. You can specify if you want to specify any property like Chromecast or video news only on Assistant, something like that. So I'm going with the allow all properties option. Now you have to add your Google Analytics tracking ID. If you are using your app, then you have to track the tracking pixel of the Google app. You have to go on your website, just press the Control U and search for UA hyphen, then you will get your analytics code. Paste it here and click on next. Then you have to tell Google like which section you want to you want your website sections to be appear in Google, and what name you want to put on your uh, Google News. So I'm going to put the sections like technology, digital marketing, technology. So how you can generate the atom feed of your website. So just click on that category and write feed after that. You can see the feed of the web particular category has already been created. Just copy that URL, paste it, then select view access anyone. Once you do that, generate articles directly from the feed. You will get three options: generate articles from the feed by crawling the source URL or by using both options. So I prefer with the from feed option. Use AMP method as a recommended method, rendering preference, or you tell like you can use feed content. So my previous website I used this option, but let me try this option this time. I duplicate image removal, allow removal of duplicate images based on the URL. Allow removal of duplicate images from the similar data. I won't touch this option. Go for this only. Don't touch this. So once you do that, press save. Don't forget to press save, because if you are not going to use the save, then it will be a problem for you to see your saved data that you have entered. Once you do that, just click on refresh. It might take some time to show your articles. Don't worry, let's wait for some time. Go for the next category. I'm going to use this new category. I'm going to put the name digital marketing and SEO. This is the URL. Just follow the same options. You can add as many sections as you want. It will appear in Google News like the way it is appearing on your website, like this. So let's move on the further options, further sections. Let's save it. Once you save it, it will show the refresh option. Okay, so you have to do the labeling of your content. Is it what kind of content you have on your entire website? User generated, opinion based, satire, press release, or blog? My website is a blog. Yes, it is a blog, and it is also opinion based because I have reviews as well. So it is a verified. Don't add anything. Go for it until they save. Once you do that, you have to fulfill those requirements of adding a square logo, 500 to 520 by 512 by 512 pix, and you have to add this add light theme and white theme logo and dark theme logo. These are the recommended option by Google. uh, I will upload them later. In the next option, add, how you are going to show the ads. If I have a verified Google AdSense account, I'm going to use that, and rest of the 30% is managed by the Google properties. Google can sell your ads to your publication in Google News app. Control how much of your ad identity that you want Google to manage. So I'm putting it the same default. If you want to go with this option, then click on this or this. If you have any particular set of users or emails that you want to show which are registered in Google News, then enter their name or email IDs. You can create a group. After that, article styles. You can change the designing or front end of your style by adding the custom CSS here. Once you do that, you can see the preview and then you can publish the CSS. I won't touch that option. Let's wait for that. You can upload the customized font as well for your mobile app. By default, content will be displayed in Roboto and San Francisco for iOS. If you want to add a family, enter the name, upload this in TTF or OTF file format. Let's cancel it and move it. Now you can review options. Review your Google publishing status. So as I shown you, like I haven't added square logo, missing square logo, that I need to two empty sections are there. I need to review the terms and condition. Once you do that, enter your name. You can see I can see how it is going to appear in Google. Once I upload the images, it will show here. So now you can see the sections I have added: technology, digital marketing. Once it will updated, it will show here. Yes, you can see now both the section content has been there. Once I add more section, it will come in the next option like this. For example, if I click on this option, I think my content is not in the AMP version because I don't have a website. I will apply this, add it. I will this. I will save it option. Now you can see it has been removed. Now what I have to yeah, you can see like I can see my website content here. Once I add the square logo and these option, I can submit. I can see the publish option. You can see how quick and easy it was to submit your website in Google News. You have to wait for 14 days for Google to review your website after submission. Let me know about any questions you might have in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.